like we're televised. Looking at my mind and the way we go, everything just right. Know what we know. Hop on my bike, we can take it slow. Looking at my life, oh babe, please let me. Are you good to go? Do you need some time? Milk in the fall, are you alone? Are you mine? Take it over to another eye. Never mind the price for you. I'll wait in line to take it to another time. We could fight off in paradise, walk away or face our crimes. Wanna be a bunny, I'll be a Clyde. Looking at my mind and the way we go, everything just right. Know what we know. Hop on my bike, we can take it slow. Looking at my life, oh babe, please let me go. You think you know what's bigger than Coca-Cola? You think you know what's bigger than Coca-Cola? Where we go? My mind and the way we go, everything just right. Know what we know. Hop on my bike, we can take it slow. Looking at my life, oh babe, please let me go. Oh babe, please let me go. Oh babe, please let me go.
It's been so insane being back in the Maldives, especially on this trip with Marie, Jake and Elliot. Such a cool crew, and we couldn't have done it without the help from Christy and her team at Indulge Maldives Holidays. They put this whole thing together for us. It's been such an insane time. So if you guys want to do a holiday or a trip to the Maldives, and whether you are balling on a budget or you've got all the money in the world to spend, Christy and her team can put together an epic itinerary for you, whether you're on a honeymoon or a surf trip. And also big shout out to Gino for helping be a part of this video. We obviously use the dome for all the underwater footage. It just makes your footage a lot more clearer, a lot more smoother. It really makes a difference when shooting in and around water. And the best part is now with G-Dome's new mobile dome, you can put your smartphone into a dome. I think it is the ultimate accessory if you're going on a holiday around water. You're just going to be able to capture amazing footage on your smartphone. It's kind of a no-brainer to have with you. And I've also been developing underwater filters with G-Dome for a while now. We've just released them. They really take your underwater footage to the next level. As you can see on some of these shots, they really bring back the skin tones and the colors. And yeah, it makes a world of a difference on your underwater footage. So definitely recommend checking those out. And yeah, stoked to be back in the Maldives. Cannot wait to come back already. And I will see you guys in the next one. You. Can't come trappy on the King's Road today. I'm literally in Burma.
Yes.
Yes, darling.
Yes, Charles.